It is currently the summer of my junior to senior year of high school, and I've been doing some reflecting. See, I joined manufacturing engineering when I was a freshman and been doing it ever since. So last year I was in manufacturing tech free, and it mostly consisted of my teacher finding a random iris box online and finding the mechanics of like how to make it and whatnot. And so we just spent the whole school year just making 20 of them for everyone in the class. The actual video is by a guy named machinepix. In the video you can see like kind of how it works, and he has the like blueprints actually like linked, so it was like pretty sick. Everyone had their own sort of like part that they had to make hundreds of, because like for one box a part you may need like 4 parts for one box, and so for 20 you're gonna need like 80 of them. And since there was 20 students and there were like 40 parts, we just broke it up to, okay, you do 2, you do 2, you do 2, and you do 2. So I ended up with around 500 pieces to make in a year, which wasn't too bad. After around a month, people already started finishing up the pieces necessary to make one box. Here you can kind of see like what the main components like consisted of altogether. You can see like how the main thing is just you twist it and it opens up. It took us around half the school year to finish one box, which sounds bad, but mainly it's just because we all just didn't want to spend the whole school year making 20 boxes when it doesn't work. For some reason, it took us really long to make the bowls. It just took a long process. You first glue up the rim, you then glue the rim to the base, and then you gotta go and chisel it, put it on the lathe, get rid of any excess glue, make sure there are no gaps. It just took really long for the actual bowl, and so I feel like that process of making a bowl, that is what took us so long to make it. All of this to make 20 of. Just to make 20 of this shit. Even though the workshop is a place to be 100% serious and careful, we couldn't help ourselves but to goof around every now and then. Because at the end of the day, it's just an entire class of all your best buddies just doing what they all love together as a group. So we couldn't help ourselves but to goof around every now and then, and it was really just a great experience to be with your friends, and making school not have to be boring. You just like focus on exactly what you need to do, you know exactly how to do it. And if you ever need help, you don't be afraid to ask, because all your friends are like right there beside you who know just about as much as you do, but in different subjects, different like aspects of manufacturing. And it was really just fun to make this box. Here's the final like result after I took it home, which honestly was really rough. This thing is heavy. You can see that it isn't perfect. It does like skedaddle and shimmy wiggy every now and then. It's not perfect. It's a little tight somewhere, but all you really need to do is just sand like a couple spots, chisel out the edges, and really it's not that bad of a box once you think about it, considering we only have 3 years of experience with this. Don't get me wrong, our teacher, our professor, he contributed the most by far. He like actually taught us how to do this. So like for a couple of like students, I would say we did pretty good. I am extremely happy with how it turned out. One of our friends actually sent a message to the actual creator saying, "Hello, after months of work, our class finished one prototype." That's right, it took us half a school year to make one prototype of the Iris box. Thank you so much for your help in putting the plans up. We still have 19 more to go this year, and he sent like images of the box, and actually he responded to us fairly quickly. I'm really amazed he actually reached out to us at all. He said, "Outstanding work. As far as I know, you guys are the only ones who have made one since I released. The plans look really good." I cannot tell you how much our entire class partied once we realized this guy actually noticed us, and we were just happy because it's just a few students with barely any experience making like a box that fell out of our league, and I'm really happy that we managed to do it like by the deadline. By the way, by deadline I mean I mean we literally got to the very last day. It was like perfect timing. Jesus, it was really close.